Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are doing a Frozen Geode class with Artist Till Death. And they have these acrylic geodes that have the cutouts. And it has paper on one side and on the other side. And you peel it off on one side and do your resin on it. And then once it's cured, the next day you can take the other side off. And it has clear and it's gorgeous and it's so much fun. So this is sped up like 10 times. It was over an hour class that I took with them, and you guys can catch it on their website, artisttilldeath.com. They have all the items that you need for this in their shop. And so I just started putting it down in geode form, kind of spreading it around with my finger. Use the heat gun to pop all the bubbles. It's a lot of fun to take their classes. You should really check it out. And it really gives you just skills that you didn't have before in a guided way. So hitting it with the heat gun. Now I am doing the swipe. So it's supposed to look like a geode, but like frozen and icy. So all the brown part won't be there anymore once you take the back paper off. It's really kind of hard to photograph it, so I tried to take it outside at the end. So if you hang out to the end, you can see it outside with the dark background. So I just keep outlining, putting the colors down, and now we're stretching it a little bit, tilting. Hitting it with the heat gun again. So now I have the fiberglass and we're putting around the edges. So it's best to do the resin first and then put the fiberglass down. And then now I'm messing with the silver, and you have to like rub it out until it gets the oil out, and then just kind of apply it with your stick. I was kind of heavy-handed with the silver because I'm not used to putting it down, but it's still pretty. I just wish I had put a little bit less. You know how it is. There's halo glitter in here, and I added some around the rocks. And then we also had glass shards. That's what I'm doing now, putting those around the fiberglass. And so you can see it at the end when it shimmers. It's really pretty with the halo glitter and then the shards of glass. All right, so we're going to take off the stuff. So once we have the paper off, we will check out the finished product. All right, there's the whole thing. Go in for a close-up. I put a lot of silver. Maybe I should have used a little less silver, but check out the fiberglass. I put a little halo around it so you can see the sparkle. And then I added some of the glass. So cool. All right, Frozen Geode. There, back in focus. And here's the coasters I did with the leftovers. I just made 2. 1, and here's 2. There were 4 in the kit, but I just made a set of 2. All right, thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Go create something fun. Be inspired. So here is a quick view outside in the natural light. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a lot of fun, and go give it a shot. Thanks so much.